From the archaeological descriptions of the 19th century and from the research carried out by Dr. Janicaud at the beginning of the 20th century, let's try to evoke and restore part of the ancient thermal baths of Evaux. Coming through the immense arcade, visitors entered an inner courtyard and were welcomed by an immense façade at the end. The main door led to a round pool, the caldarium, which was paved entirely in stunning white marble. In the center, 3 very hot springs of water poured out around a black marble column, topped by a capital and a small statue. This room was the most luxurious of the thermal baths and appeared to have been covered by a dome decorated with mosaics of precious stones and different colored materials of which fragments have been found. Opposite this, stairs led to a rectangular white marble pool filled with warm water, the tepidarium. 2 other rectangular pools were symmetrically constructed on the left and right of the rotunda. The pool on the right side, one of the best preserved during the excavations, was a frigidarium that held cold water. It was paved with white limestone with storage and a bench alcove built into the walls. It was connected to the largest pool, the warm water natatio. A large platform, likely used for massages, led to the shower room where the bathers were showered by bronze taps with human figures placed above. The right wing of the building housed individual bathing cubicles and changing rooms as well as a little cold water pool. The south wing contained 3 semicircular steam rooms that were supplied by steam from the hottest springs. 2 other pools have been identified in the left wing, which likely extended symmetrically from the right wing. Thanks to the wonderful natural heat of the waters, these baths did not require any type of heating system.